Significant recovery in the mid-cap index. It is up 135 points as we speak. What's happening in the F&O corner? Let's get in Mangalam with all the latest trends from the F&O space. Mangalam.
It's all happening. You know, the frontline indices are all doing extremely well. When we started the show, the Nifty was the high point of trade, and now as we speak, it's at the higher point of today's trading session so far. So 26,150 is what we had hit earlier, about a few minutes ago. We have the Nifty Bank as well, which is up almost 0.5%, led by the Nifty IT index, which has been doing well all through the last 2 or 3 trading sessions. Now, the trigger shifts post the RBI policy to the next thing, which is the US Fed meet. Remember, the US Fed is expected to cut rates. The street is expecting an 89 to 90% probability of a rate cut before the end of this calendar year itself. And if that were to happen and the market sustains at these levels, that provides perfect ammunition for the year-end blast, as we call it, when it comes to the Santa rally. Because the FI, the positioning over the last few trading sessions has been coming down from 19% to 16%, 14%, all the way down to 12.5% in yesterday's session. You don't want a lot of those FIs being caught on the short side, on the wrong side, if the market continues to move higher, because if it does, then there is a melt up which is likely. How exactly does that melt up play out, or will that play out or not? The answer to that will lie in 2 data points. One, how the mid-cap index performs, because usually that has a higher delta in terms of a change to the large cap. And the second part, how the advanced decline performs as well. Over the last few trading sessions, even as the Nifty has been consolidating, we've seen more stocks declining than the number of stocks which are advancing, and that continues even today. About 1,600 stocks in the red for about 1,100 stocks in the green. So amidst all of this, what is it that the option writers are betting on? Well, they are expecting the support to play out around that 25,900 to 950. So we have the 26,000 put fairly well written, the 26,100 put as well, equally well written. So the support has moved higher by about 50-60 points over the last 2 trading sessions. But on the way up, we're still not out of the woods, because the call writers are still active at 26,100 and 26,200. 26,200 call has a premium for almost 68 rupees. 26,100 call also comes up for you as a premium upwards of 100 rupees. So around 26,200 to 26,250 is where the resistance is likely, which has seen an increase in the range for the market. From yesterday to today, there has been an increase of about 80 to 90 points in the range, the 200-point range that the Nifty is in, but that's something we will monitor. The other couple of things that we'll keep an eye out on are a few stocks which are seeing a lot of shorts being added. So CAMS is one of them, Keynes Tech is the other one, and we have Interglobe Aviation, understandably. So all these stocks are fairly well sold or short sold as we speak from the F&O standpoint.
CAMS trading adjusted for its stock split today is of 3.5% lower on that stock, and of course Keynes Technologies